Ultrasight, when it came onto the market, provided a couple of unique things. One, it had a free-flowing, open fluid path, as well as preventing needle sticks from occurring with clinicians. The other beautiful thing that came out of Ultrasight, it provides what's known as positive displacement, and that positive displacement is what helps keep catheters patent or open for continued therapy.
The biggest challenge with any new development program was to marry together all the customers' needs. Then, of course, at the end of the day, the device had to work, and that's where our R&D can-do spirit really came in, and we're able to put a device out there that met the customer's need.
We currently produce over 100 million units of Ultrasight valves on an annual basis. We currently have 10 machines in operation, and this, over the past 7 years, has been a tremendous increase for our organization. We do have inline processes. We are molding. We're basically producing the bodies and all the molded components right in line with the automated assembly equipment. And it's also performing 100% checks to ensure that they're good quality valves. Here at Markham Boulevard, we have approximately 320,000 square feet. And basically, we've just added on an additional 100,000 square feet of additional space for future growth. I mean, we're really looking at future growth here. And in order to be competitive on a global market, we saw the need to bring more automation into our facility. Bringing automation into our facility isn't always easy because of the complexity of our operation. We manufacture approximately 3,600 finished good devices. So we really did a great job over the past 5 years identifying what processes can we automate, how are we going to automate them, and then how are we going to develop our culture to sustain those automated processes. And I think that's where we really succeeded.
The most exciting things that we have are those new developments. They're really where we're marrying our customers' needs, working directly with those customers, and the Ultrasight AG program is a very good example of that. We started the program with some wishes and some wants on what could we do with our existing Ultrasight platform, and we were able to, with the existing technologies and a considerable amount of hard work from quite a few individuals in the organization, we were able to make that a reality.
One of the great things that I've found when I get to visit customers is the overall value that BBraun brings to the customer beyond just a product. Sharing the technology, the educational materials along with the clinical knowledge is a great collaborative effort.
Having products that provide dose modes or where the nurses can't make medication errors, it's just very important to our hospital. And we find that with the drug libraries in both the space pumps and in the outlooks, we have been able to reduce a lot of our medication errors.
In 2008, we had 0 medication events related to infusion pumps. So our journey was one of a beautiful line going downward to 0, which we were very proud of.
We spend a lot of time when we're designing our pumps looking at the needs of the nurse. What does she need to make it easier for her to give the medication safely? And we design a product that allows the nurse to do that, that's easy to use and that's flexible.
We spent the better part of a year changing everything from being highly sophisticated, high technology, to making the technology behind the curtain, make it invisible, so that the nurse, really all she had to do was hit a button or two that she was already used to hitting, and all the safety features were there automatically. And it just worked out. That was absolutely what the market needed at the time.